As a leader in innovative technology development, Shell is dedicated to making wells safer through investment and research into new and effective well construction methods. One of these breakthrough technologies is the Shell monodiameter expandable liner system. This technology gives drillers the ability to locate a liner string and expand its diameter once placed inside the wellbore. The expansion of the liner inside the casing string eliminates the reduction of the casing's internal diameter as typically experienced in conventional well designs. With this internal expansion, drillers can construct a wellbore with a constant internal diameter known as a monobore well. Monodiameter well construction begins with the drilling of the open hole section below an intermediate casing string. This wellbore is typically drilled with an under-reaming BHA to provide the annular clearance required when the liner is expanded. The expandable liner string is then assembled to the desired length and run into the wellbore. The liner incorporates an inner drill pipe string, which runs the liner and conducts the expansion process. An open-hole anchoring and sealing system secures the liner to the formation. The cone and top anchor attached to the running string conduct the expansion process. After the landing of the liner, cement is placed around the liner in a standard cementation procedure. A drill pipe wiper dart displaces the pumped cement. Once landed, the liner top anchor can be activated. This setting process releases the anchor from the drill pipe and secures it to the intermediate casing string. The expansion process is conducted by applying overpull to the drill pipe string. The liner top anchor prevents upward movement of the liner during the expansion. The open hole anchors and the annular seal mechanisms are activated during the first stage of expansion. Expansion continues along the entire length of the liner string. This includes the intermediate casing at the overlap section. The resultant overlap generates an effective pressure seal and mechanical attachment of the expanded liner. The top anchor is released and removed with the drill pipe. When the cone exits from the top of the liner, the expansion process is complete. An expandable liner can be deployed multiple times in the same wellbore. This repeatable process is performed for each additional liner string installation. The ability to place multiple liners into a wellbore without a reduction in casing size greatly increases the likelihood of reaching the targeted production zone. This also increases well safety, as it allows drillers to isolate problem sections. Future developments of this expansion technology will result in the ability to clad the internal diameter of an existing casing string with an expandable liner. This process enhances a well's ability to handle higher burst and collapse loadings as a result of increased wall thickness. Monobore expandable casing represents Shell's commitment to developing technologies that help oil and gas operators tackle the increasing challenges of producing hydrocarbons in the safest and most productive ways.